Windows play a major role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Over time, however, even well-built windows begin to show signs of wear. If you live in Sterling Heights, where homes experience a wide range of seasonal weather conditions, aging windows can quickly become a problem. Recognizing the signs that it's time to replace old windows with vinyl can help you protect your home, improve energy efficiency, and avoid costly repairs. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacement is drafts and inconsistent indoor temperatures. If you feel cold air near your windows during winter or warm air seeping in during summer, your windows may no longer be sealing properly. Older windows often develop gaps or worn seals that allow outside air to enter. Vinyl replacement windows provide a tighter seal and improved insulation, helping keep your home comfortable throughout Sterling Heights' changing seasons. Another clear indicator is rising energy bills. Windows that are outdated or poorly insulated force your heating and cooling system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. If your utility bills seem higher than usual without a clear explanation, inefficient windows could be the culprit. Vinyl windows are designed with modern energy-efficient features such as multi-pane glass and insulated frames that help reduce energy loss and lower monthly utility costs. Difficulty opening or closing windows is another sign that replacement may be necessary. Over time, window frames can warp, swell, or deteriorate due to moisture exposure and temperature changes. This can make windows stick, jam, or refuse to stay open. Not only is this inconvenient, but it can also pose safety concerns during emergencies when windows need to open quickly. Vinyl windows are designed to operate smoothly and reliably, making them easier to use and maintain. You may also notice condensation or fog between glass panes. This typically means the seal between the panes has failed, allowing moisture to get trapped inside. Once this happens, the window loses much of its insulating ability. While some homeowners try temporary fixes, the most effective solution is replacing the window. Vinyl replacement windows feature durable seals and advanced glazing technology that helps prevent this issue. Visible damage or deterioration is another common reason homeowners in Sterling Heights choose to upgrade their windows. Cracked glass, rotting frames, peeling paint, and water damage are all signs that windows have reached the end of their lifespan. Wooden window frames, in particular, can suffer from rot and insect damage over time. Vinyl windows, on the other hand, are highly resistant to moisture, corrosion, and pests, making them a durable and long-lasting option. Noise from outside may also indicate that your windows are no longer performing as they should. If traffic, neighborhood activity, or outdoor sounds seem louder than before, your current windows may not be providing adequate sound insulation. Modern vinyl windows are often designed with multiple panes and insulating features that help reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. Another factor to consider is outdated appearance and reduced curb appeal. Old windows can make an otherwise beautiful home look worn or neglected. Upgrading to vinyl windows can instantly improve your home's appearance with clean lines, modern styles, and a variety of color options. For homeowners thinking about selling in the future, new windows can also increase property value and make a stronger first impression on potential buyers. Finally, frequent maintenance requirements may signal it's time for a change. Older windows often require regular scraping, painting, sealing, or repairs to stay functional. Vinyl windows are designed to be low maintenance. They do not need repainting and are easy to clean, saving homeowners both time and effort. Replacing aging windows with vinyl is a practical investment for homeowners in Sterling Heights. By recognizing the warning signs early, you can improve your home's comfort, reduce energy costs, and enhance both the appearance and value of your property.